Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 45. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the queens. Queen Jiangsu said, "Sister, since we are out of the palace today, don't worry about those etiquettes and disciplines, okay?" Oh, Queen Jiangsu. It's like assuring her that don't need to follow proper palace etiquette. Don't worry, it's still stain your skirts. Don't worry whether its walking posture is not elegant or be with me happily tonight. Oh, she looks really happy. Positioning, looking at Queen Jiangsu. Jiangsu said, "And I'm going to reward my sister, okay?" Oh, finally. They don't want to follow palace etiquette. This is the first time the two of them will enjoy getting out of palace without any restriction, and also without someone following them. For the first time to give yourself credit you only want this kind of reward. Well, what a cheap mourner. Queen Shishani said to Queen Jiangsu. Well, maybe. He only want these things, the simple things in his life, especially eating outside without someone following them. Here comes the big fall of wontons. It's been a long time since I ate such a fireworks, so it was pretty grand. Oh, it seems that Shishani, she looks really happy. You can eat slowly. What do you want? Then I will call the little one. Only a bowl of soup. Queen Jiangsu said to Queen Shishani. Finally, the food gets served. Jiangsu, sister, eat first. So, let me eat first. Queen Shishani is asking her. Well, why suddenly you don't want to eat first? You're afraid of being poisoned. Let me try the poison for you first. Queen Jiangsu said to her. Now, she's teasing back her again. Well, probably, she always want to tease her, especially during serious times. Not afraid that we are together and when it's cold, the dog bites Lu Dongbin. Don't know if his hearts are good. Don't eat my food, Queen Jiangsu said to Queen Shishaning. Now, she's like mom. The anger will make happy to laugh. Well, look at them. They're really happy. Especially Queen Shishaning. She always teases her. And also, always tries to coax her when they're all finished. So Queen Shishaning, she cooled down the wontons. Now, slowly blowing it. Now, she's getting fed by the queen itself. What a sweet wit she has. Well, Queen Shishaning. Of course, she always concerned about her. Good, I will scoop it for you and eat it. Queen Shishaning said to her. Looking at it right now, Queen Jiangsu, she looks happy eating the food. Now, she was humming while eating the food. Well, what a cute little queen she is. She looks really happy. Well, finally, the misunderstanding and everything had already been solved. So she can always be with Queen Shishaning all the time, especially during this time. She is not shy anymore. Well, instead of getting shy, look at her. She was really happy, like exploding on herself. It's being pet by, greeted gently by Queen Shishaning. And now she was thinking, is she someone who writes on her face? Well, definitely. Because right now, she was really acting strange. Well, maybe because this is the first time Queen Shishaning see her so much happy. Their relationship before is getting rough. Finally, right now, it's really changed. She thinks that time on the palace are really been tough for them. Well, as if right now they're both free to each other. Sister, that's why I bite. Queen Shishaning said to her, still want? I'll blow it again. Oh, right now. Jiangsu, she was looking at Shishaning. On that time, there's only happiness. It's so quiet at that moment. It's like there are only the two of them in this world. She can only see Queen Shishaning. There's no one outside on this world. Queen Shishaning, since she already blew off the food. Right now, here, eat it again. Well, looking at her face, now she was really calm. Since when did you start being nice to me? Jiangsu is asking herself. Probably she was thinking, when it start? 4. Being close. She's being scared. Also, there's a times that there's also unhappiness. Well, more of it. It seems that there's always something in the dark. While she's being punished, Get this by her. All of it right now. Suddenly, it really changed. She was really thinking immediately. When this happened, and when did she like her? But the temperature of my heart from there, well, she remembered when the two of them were getting in touch together. So everything happened. It really changed for a while. Is there true feelings? She kept asking herself about this trivial matter, but gladly, everything's changed. How many? What do you think? Queen Shishaning is asking her. So right now, come back to her senses. Well, definitely, it's all happiness right now. Nothing, the fireworks conference will start soon. So let's go, sister. Let's go see the fireworks. Right now, they're running to the streets. The two of them are holding each other's hands. Well, her current love, it's really hard to miss. The atmosphere just now was very good. Maybe our day and night are really gave her. Now, there's a little bit of being shy, but right now, in the future, the situation in the court will become more and more turbulent. So right now, they enjoying each other, especially they're free right now. There's a lot of people in the crowd. If one day my existence really threatens her power, the power of each other's, in her minds, she is really afraid someone might happen in the future. But in the current situation, she's afraid of being away from her. Well, the two of them got separated. A lot of people in the crowd, and she was calling Jiangshu. Finally, on the end, he really caught her again. Well, it's a big hug for her. In Shishining, she got always worried about her. It's like Queen Jiangshu. It's like a little treasure for her. It's been speechless. She was quiet. Well, right now, no one's speaking but they're only hugging each other. Shishining, it's too crowded here. Let's go to the place with a better scenery. Of course, she really wants to take her away. Finally, she's been carried out. Shishining said to her, relax. Now Queen Shishining jumping from the crowded places. Well, look at her. She has a good martial arts skill. Shishining said to her, don't worry, I have the ability to go to the heights with you. Well, definitely, she was right. Right now, she was really good at jumping. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me. Thank you for joining membership today. Weshu, Nathan Crown. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!